That's
you go to jail.
Oh, no. Off of me. Get off of me!
On June 3rd, 2022, an officer noticed a pedestrian jaywalking, but he could have never expected her insane reaction.
Hey, how are you? I'm Officer Morales.
I'm good.
Hey, you're walking on the road.
Okay?
Yeah, you're not supposed to be walking on the road.
Yeah, I am.
You cannot.
That's the first time, dude. Literally.
If you've never,
Seriously?
you're not supposed to be walking on the road.
Seriously? That's
No, okay.
That's
What's your name?
I don't need to tell you my name.
What's your name?
I don't need to tell you my name.
Yes, you do.
That's seriously That's
you go to jail.
Oh, no. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Carl, I don't know you.
Off of me. What the
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Get the off of me. What the is wrong with you?
Give me your other arm.
What the
I told you you're not,
walking. What the is wrong
you're not
with
supposed
you?
to be in the roadway. I stopped you. Okay.
Since when?
Okay, that's a city
I
ordinance.
do this
Give
every
me
night, dude.
Give me your arm.
Get the off me, fool.
Roll me a second.
Get the off of me.
You're about to go to the ground.
What the wrong
You're gonna
with
go
you,
to the ground
fool?
if you don't stop. Okay?
If you don't get the
Your hand.
this is seriously illegal. If
You're
yes,
in the roadway.
it is. You're doing some illegal.
Four.
Get the off of me.
Give me your other arm.
Give
me
the off of me.
Give me your other arm. Give me your other
Get
arm.
the off of me.
You're about to go
What
to the ground.
the is wrong with you, dude?
Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm.
Fool.
Give me your other arm.
You're f***ing doing illegal. Watch yourself. I got
Just hit me.
Brandon. Motherfucker, get off of me.
Stop yelling.
What the f***? Get off.
Give me the arm.
This is illegal. You f***ing pussy. Get off of me. What the f*** is wrong with you?
Give me the arm.
Ow.
Give me the arm. Give me the arm.
Ow.
Give me the other arm.
Literally, why would you do that? I literally was just walking.
Okay, you're not supposed to walk on the roadway. I told you why.
When?
That's a city ordinance, alright?
When?
I told you to give me your name and you give me your name.
I do this every night. What the fuck?
Other side.
Ow! What the f***, dude?
Hey, relax.
Ow! He just tackled me for no reason. What the f***?
Alright, you hit me with
You
your
can't do that.
you hit me with your elbow. Alright, you
He
hit
can't do that shit though.
pat her down first.
What the f*** wrong with him? Literally, he tackled me for nothing.
Relax yourself. Let's get you up. Stand up.
What the f*** does he expect me to do? What the f*** did he tackle me for nothing?
Hey, I stopped you for walking on the roadway.
I'm literally walking in the road.
And that's why I stopped you.
Since when?
Okay?
Since when?
Relax yourself.
Since when?
Ever.
Literally.
Always.
Since when?
Ever.
Bullshit. That's bullshit.
It's always been that way.
That is
Okay.
bullshit. I don't have to give you my
Yes,
name.
you do.
Well, I ain't talking to you.
Okay. Well, you're going to jail now, so.
Literally, what the f***? Since when is it illegal to walk in the road?
It's an ordinance.
Pedestrians in the road.
I was literally just walking. What the f***? I shouldn't have even been tackled.
You shouldn't have,
What's the point of this? You shouldn't have tackled me.
shouldn't have hit me.
Made fool.
Okay.
And spit on you.
Put her in the car.
This is illegal as f***. I swear to God, I'm gonna sue all of you. All of you. Because I'm Malachi. All of you are gonna get sued. Literally. Y'all are all the ones that with me constantly.
I've never met you before.
Yes, you have, fool.
I've never met you.
Don't act.
I don't know who you
Don't act. Since when is it
Wait, didn't want to give me her name. Should have walked away, grabbed her. She gave me an elbow. Right here. In the middle of the roadway.
Okay.
Yeah, right in the middle. Rode up on her. She didn't want to give me her name, so I walked away, grabbed her. Pulled her over here to the unit. So she tried biting me, and then she gave me an elbow. That's when I took her to the ground.
You can walk in the goddamn road, man. And then he tackles me on the ground like you stupid. I got tumors, you. What the man?
Double locked. Hold on real quick, Matt.
This is. This is such fucking bullshit.
Hey, so you don't want to pick up additional charges? Let me cover you.
I was literally just walking in the road.
If
What the?
So that's all you were doing? Relax yourself and then you'll get you through. What's your name?
Doing, y'all? Yo.
807, go again. You had a lot of noise in the background.
Go ahead, bro.
One. How old are you? How old are you?
Well, I mean, add it up, obviously. Like 24 or 23. I don't know. I can't right now.
Do you live on Standpipe?
No. I haven't lived there in years.
Okay. But that used to be a former address of yours?
A long time ago.
Okay. Where do you live now?
I just bounce house to house right now.
Okay. So you don't have a permanent residency?
No.
No? Where were you headed tonight?
No, she's not. I was just going over to a homie's house.
I didn't catch what he said. Hang tight, all right?
You need to talk to her?
No, he's not. She was saying the motorway didn't want to give her name.
Yeah.
She kept walking away and she started to leave.
Let me check if it's her.
You're sending the booking?
Yeah, I'll send the booking over.
Yeah, it's her.
Yeah, that's her.
I want to know what happened, because I was watching you the whole time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She was walking on the roadway.
Where?
Right here in the middle of the road. When I stopped her.
But-
Were you watching when I stopped her?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
stopped
saw
her. She was
you
walking
turn
the
on your
road.
lights and everything. I was in my
She was
car.
walking the roadway. That's why I stopped her. I
But
asked her
so
her name.
rough?
Excuse me?
So rough?
I stopped and I asked her her name. She didn't want to give it to me. She started walking away. I grabbed her and pulled her back to the front of my unit. So whenever I stop
So
somebody,
you had to hold her like that?
Whenever I stop somebody, they're required to give me their name. Okay, she was pulling away from me. All right.
But it being a female?
Okay, she was pulling away from me and she tried to bite me a couple times. I don't know if you saw that. And then she hit me with her elbow a couple times. Okay, did you see that? I know I saw it because I was there. My camera saw it too.
I hope your camera got
It
everything.
did. Okay, and it's got it right here too.
I have never seen a cop be so rough with a female, regardless.
Okay, well, you gotta control the situation.
I understand. She's as little as can be. And look at you.
Okay.
She was charged with resisting without violence and disorderly conduct.